Hello everyone! For our cooking vlog today, we are going to cook lumien. And these are the ingredients. Okay guys, let's get started. But first, I am going to teach you how to make a sauce. Guys, I have a tip for you. If you couldn't find an egg noodles, you can use fettuccine pasta. Let's get started. I have to discuss to you this thing. The difference of lumien noodles to another noodles, they are using a ginger. We're going to use a ginger aroma. While we are cooking this one, we just have to boil the pasta for only 5 minutes. So guys, here's our pasta. We are not going to wash the fettuccine pasta. We will going to put straight here. We already put the pasta. Now let's mix up. We are going to put now the sauce that we mix it up. Kaya 5 minutes na yung pasta guys kasi iluluto nyo rin dito. Then huwag nyo siyang hinuhugasan na. No, ang pasta hindi naman talaga dapat hinuhugasan. Now we are going to put scallion on it. Scallion. So we're almost done for our lumien noodles. We will going to put a little bit of sake to balance the taste. You may add on sesame oil for aroma. So we're done with our lumien noodles. Now let's plate it.